Hi guys, what's up guys? Good morning. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So this morning I'm going to Destiny School because of what has been happening. Yes, it has been happening, but I've been keeping quiet. And this today's zone, I said I'm not definitely going to keep quiet because this is how you keep traumatizing children, and at the end of the day, we start having issues that we are not even supposed to have in the house. Now, I will send Destiny to school, like I will send a child to school, and she will be fully dressed, well prepared, in good health and everything. And when she comes back, I'll start giving her Panadol, paracetamol, because she's having headache here and there. In fact, let me see that. Because she's having headache here and there and so on and so forth. So, Destiny came back yesterday. Let me drop this car key before I go because I'll carry you guys along anyways. So Destiny came back yesterday and I asked her to go and eat. She was like, she don't want to eat and she wants to go and sleep. Because like on two different occasions, I've gone to her school once. Then me and my husband has gone to that particular school because of one, but that one is just like classmate issue. So it was just a normal thing that was actually sorted out and we just forgot about everything. But this time around, why I'm really mad about this one is because this one is relating to a particular teacher. And I do not know why she usually pick on Destiny, and I don't want to even know her reasons. And that is why I want to go this morning so that I can ask her a few questions. I'm a very peaceful person. I cannot go there and start dragging and start fighting, but I just want to ask her if she do not want Destiny in that school so that I can gingerly just move Destiny. And at the same time, I also want to see the owner of the school so that they will know the right action to take. Because as it stands now, nobody feel born picking give anybody. So nobody should just even try that nonsense. A child will go to school. I know how much I spend on this girl. Like we spend money on this girl. So she will go to school with her food fully prepared, everything sound and healthy, and she will come back for me feeling feverish. Yesterday night was something else. You understand? So Destiny says she was supervising a particular class because she's in SS2 and they are the prefect, blah, blah, blah. And then I don't know what transpired in transferring paper here and there to the teacher. And then one of the teachers that was not even teaching her at all called her and she was like, okay, I'm coming or I'm not coming. You know, me, I don't want to just even judge from Destiny's part because I'm not even saying Destiny is right or Destiny is not right. But the fact that the way the teacher actually flogged her, she did not only flog her, she flogged her on her head is what I will never take. I'm not saying nobody should flog her. She is a child. She needs to be corrected. If you want to flog, flog. But you have to know the kind of places that you're definitely going to be flogging her. Then, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what transpired. The teacher flogged her. The teacher even said that your mother that is training you, she did not train you very well. So I want to ask her if she will help me to come and train Destiny, or how I will train Destiny. She will tell me this morning in a peaceful way, not like in a quarreling way. You understand? So when she was flogging her, Destiny now told her that, please, you can talk to me, but do not talk to my mom. Do not take your mouth close to my mom and tell my mom that she did not train me well. And then the teacher wiped her on her head. Like she flogged her on her head. She came back throughout yesterday. She was sleeping. I was surprised. Even till up to like 5 to 6:30, I went to wake her. I said, Destiny, are you not eating? She said she's not eating, that I should give her their principal's number. So I was not asking her why, because she said she don't want me to come to the school, that she don't want her classmates to be saying that every time mommy used to come to the school and she's doing like a baby or something like that. So she was asking me for her principal's number and I said no. What is the issue? If you don't tell me, I will not give you your principal's number because I have the principal's number. And then she now started explaining that I don't want you to come to the school, blah, 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 but I'm having headache here. Give me Panadol first. Let me take, I give her Panadol. And then she was like, the teacher flogged her on her head. That was where I really got pissed off. Anyways, I'm going to the school. I'm going to do all my confirmations this morning. And I'm going to put out a warning to the child. I don't care wherever you flog a child, but do not put your mouth on my body. That's number one. Secondly, do not flog a child on her head. I will not take that for any reasons. Because I asked her, is this teacher teaching you in any course? No. In fact, guys, I'll just take you guys along. You guys should just come along with me. Let's just go and get this sorted out so that I don't keep talking too much. See you guys. I'm not carrying money for nobody. She for no how far. flog picking finish, tell and say your man not even train you well. No. You always have to train your own, you will train them.
All these teachers and what they do these days. Wow. No be even NEPA they knock, friend they knock, but NEPA they there. See the boy where they knock there. We are GC.
So guys, I'm in Destiny school. Waiting for the principal. She's kind of busy, so let's just wait until she's ready. Okay, good morning, ma.
She tell this when I was yesterday.
Yes.
So she came this morning, I was giving me my baby.
She was already asking me of your phone number yesterday. Because of that other phone that she usually uses, which is my other phone in the house. She checked inside, she found out that your number was not there. So she was asking me, please give me Miss Chibu's number, give me Miss Chibu's number. I said, what's the problem? She didn't say anything. She said, because I don't want to tell you now, before you know now, you now start coming to the school. So she now she explained to you everything that happened. Please, me, I want to see the teacher. Me, ma, you know me, I'm a very peaceful person. I don't even want to wahala as you see me like this. I don't have a problem that she flogged Destiny, to be honest. But I have a problem that she flogged her on the head. Because she came back yesterday, unlike her, will you eat? She said, no, I'm not hungry. She went straight to her room. She slept till past 6. That yesterday. She slept till past 6. So when she woke up, I said, carry food and eat. She said, okay. She made food, me and her. We ate. Then she now started and she now said, give me Miss Chibu's number again. I said, what is it? If there's any problem, you tell me. She said, before you know now, you will now start saying that you are coming to my school. So what's the problem now? She said she's having headache. I should give her Panadol. I gave her Panadol. She took Panadol. Sat down again small. Because she know that her conscience will not allow her until she say that thing that she want to say. And then she started telling me that one of her teacher flogged her on her head. And for the fact that the child now said that the mother that is training her did not train her well. So I want to know, maybe the teacher would teach me how to train. Me, I'm happy that my husband is not around today, because even when I told my husband just should just go to the school and confirm, so that if the teachers do not want her here, if the teacher, that particular teacher, because she has, this is not the first time she's talking about that particular teacher. She said that particular teacher hates her personally. Yes, that even when she left here to Abuja, that the teacher asked her classmates, say,
She said something, she complained something. She told her mom what happened yesterday. On the floor down on her head. On her head. Or at her back.
Madam, please, what happened yesterday? Don't, madam, please, I came here calmly because I do respect myself. If I've not heard from her, I will not ask you. I will not ask you what happened. That's why I asked a simple question. I said, what happened yesterday? You're telling me I should ask my daughter. I came back from the house. And I've listened to her, so talk to me.
Okay. What happened yesterday was I got a report that she was disturbing people.
Why will you flog Destiny on her head? Anyways, guys, I'm angry, but I see to pop on the ski. You guys have missed my Tupo friend, Abby. Stop tracking my face.
Hello, guys.
See my Tupo friend. The Tupo ski, guys. I saw her today when I was coming out of Destiny school. Anyways, when I get inside, I'll just you guys every other stuff that happened, and we'll get up with this vlog, and this vlog gonna go up. Yeah. See my hair. Because I don't come out. So far, I'm back from Destiny school. Like, I've been back for the past 3 hours. Yes. But that my friend that I show you guys in the other clip before this particular rounding up this video, I saw her on the road, and she actually came to know where I stay as well, because she has been traveling up and down, Sha. So let me give you guys a quick story of what happened. See, if people have children, you people should make sure that those children are not children that they should be intimidated. So let me break it down gradually how this woman came to start explaining. I have some record I did with my phone, but because of the school's what they call it, the school's legacy or what, like they've begged me already that please I should just forget about it, and that's why I'm not putting that record online. So this woman came and I asked the woman, please ma, what did my daughter do that you flogged her the way you flogged her? She was like, I should ask my daughter. Very rude, because she saw that I was sitting down very calm. I was not like, if I did not ask her, I wouldn't have been asking you. And that's why I'm asking you. So what really transpired between you and Destiny to the point that you flogged her on her head? Because I'm not mad that you flogged her. Children, picky, not be one person they train them. But for the fact that you have to call my name in between, number one, and secondly, you have to flog her on her head, that's where my problem is right now. So what really happened? You can imagine an adult lying and they have to call some other students. Like they call some students from Destiny's class, and the so-called class that she said the particular child reported to her that when Destiny was supervising the class, the particular child reported to her and said Destiny was distracting her and she was not able to write what she's supposed to write. Now they called the girl, they said, this girl, come please. Did Destiny distract you when you were writing the exam? The girl said no. The girl said no, that Destiny never distracted her. But just that Destiny said something about their class that this SS1, you people are not respecting your seniors. And immediately Destiny said that, she now asked her that, Senior Destiny, what did SS1 do that you say we are not respecting our seniors? And then Senior Destiny did not answer her, which is Destiny did not answer her. Then later on, she went and meet Destiny again and said, Senior Destiny, why did you say SS1 people are not respecting? And Destiny just told her that, oh, okay, sorry if that's the thing that is making you to come and answer. I'm just sorry and just forget about it. And then she went to go and submit the papers to this lady. And then the lady now answered that, what are you doing with Senior Destiny? And then she now said, Senior Destiny was saying something in the class. This woman now said, that means Destiny is distracting the class from writing exam. An exam that is over 1 hour. And you guys appointed the senior that the senior should actually help in supervising. So, and then, after the girl reported to her, then she have to go and tell the girl to call Destiny for her. She sent over 5 people to call Destiny. Okay, point out the people that you said you sent to call Destiny. This woman cannot point out people that she said she called. She said, one SS1 boy, one this, like... she loved Destiny from the depth of her heart. There is no how she's going to hate the child. And she was disrespected, that Destiny actually disrespected her and did not come. And that was why when she met her, she flogged Destiny. And you're flogging Destiny and you're trying to tell me now that she was not properly trained. If this is how you people are training your child in the house. She was even saying it to my face. Like she was saying it directly to my face. My calmness was overcome today because I flamed off, guys. I flamed off. I was like, I don't understand. Like I have the clip, but just that, let me see if I can just play some parts that I just said something. I was like, to my face, you were even telling me that I'm not good in training child or what. So now I used to be trained Peking. I was mad, guys. These are some of the clip. Let me see if it will play.
This girl, you know her name. Call her by name. Don't call her this girl. Don't call her this girl. You know her name. I'm telling you now, I'm warning you. Call her by her name.
I sent Covenant. I sent 2 other people. 1 junior student, about 2 senior students. I even sent her Lindsay.
Why do you refuse to?
I even sent her prefect. I sent senior prefect. Daniel Chukwuka, I sent senior. I sent him. It's about 5 people right from the very she refused to come.
That's fine. Am I like this?
You can imagine the gulf of she shouting. I've just been, see how calm I was.
You are called menace. You are called menace. You make cooking for house. Madam, it is not hot because my husband is not here. I know what would have happened, and I'm giving you assurance of that. If you want it to happen again, there's a remix. Let's do remix about this. I'm begging in the name of God. You see this girl? Leave her out of your sight.
Anyways, guys, there's no need of playing over long form video like this for you guys. So what I notices, this woman, this is just what she do. Hatred to people, to children that are doing well. Because to the point that the principal have to now start explaining to me when she left, and the principal was like, they have actually cautioned her on this, and this matter is going to go to the disciplinary committee and blah 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 stuff like that. Me, I do not just want to take the case further, because a lot of people, which is the principal is my good friend, and one other teacher, they're already begging me already, like, I should forget about this, should let this issue not escalate, please. I should not even think of putting this issue online. And that is why I just calmed myself, and I just told her that let everything be. But I thoroughly warned that woman. I said, do not in your life flog her again. No matter what she do, leave her alone. Let's just assume that she is rude, she is not well trained. You that you are good in training your own children, keep training your own children. And one of the happiness I have today is the fact that I did not go with my husband, I did not go with one of my friends called Maureen. Because today would have been hot with the way the woman was even wrapping up her mouth. Even with all of the cases that they were able to judge, they find out that the woman is at fault. You flog a child to the point that the mark of that cane is still here. Like who you be now? The mark of that cane is still here on that child. I'll be giving paracetamol. The school pharmacy have to start pressing the head and start putting some treatments. Like who are you? You understand? Anyways, that's just the update about what happened. We actually settled it by the grace of God. Let her not flog Destiny. Let her go her way. Let Destiny go her way. Because I told her, you see, the next time if there's a remix about this, it is going to be as hot as you will not even know when this particular thing will land at the police. Because my intention was, let me just go and arrest this woman. At least let me put her behind bars for like 3 days first. Make sure you know waiting live to talk about. But seeing the woman say, if I even show you guys, if I show her the woman self, I go even to say, Sony, no even start problems. Because it should not even look like a person who don't chop belly full. Honestly, because the person we don't chop belly food, the way she don't wrap mats now, all of us for don't dig around there. Anyways, like, comment, and share, and please be very, very careful with teachers in your children's school, because I'm happy that Destiny is vocal. Destiny can talk. Just imagine if this woman is traumatizing small baby. Imagine this woman having the goals. Destiny said it in her presence there, having the goals to tell Destiny's students, which is a classmate, that is this girl still coming to school again? They said, no, this girl, she traveled, though, and thank God. May she carry her wahala go. I don't even like this girl. As lovable and as beautiful as Destiny. You can imagine. So if not, because Destiny is this kind of person that you cannot intimidate her, you cannot just, Destiny just have a way. That's one thing I'm just grateful to God about her. You cannot just intimidate her and she will just look at you and just keep quiet. Even if you're this kind of person that you are in that position of killing her, she will still tell you what she have to. She will still voice out and tell you that you cannot kill her emotions. If not, only God know what other children are passing in that school, passing through. Only God know what traumatized, or I don't even know the English, that already traumatized a lot of kids that they cannot even speak out. You can imagine children telling that teacher to her face that you are lying. No, ma, Destiny did not distract me. No, ma, this is what really happened. And this woman said they came to report. It was a whole lot, guys. Let me not even prolong this. Like this video, drop me your comment. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, guys, with no further ado, I do like a lot in my video. I'm going to be back and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.